There's a popular theory in learning that everyone has a style, that you're either an audio learner, a visual learner, a kinesthetic learner. The truth is, we benefit from using all of our senses for learning. That to limit yourself to one particular sense is to limit your learning. The most effective method is simply repetition, to repeat things over and over and over until a piece of information or a particular skill is cemented in your mind. And I have two examples for this. One is language learning. If you're listening to this right now, you've mastered English. How you did it was by repetition, over and over and over, hearing English words, English phrases, saying English words, English phrases, until eventually it became easy, it became fluent. You were able to do it quickly and almost without thinking. Same thing with mechanical skills, with driving. If you've learned to drive a car, when you were first doing so, you had to think about each step. Where's the brake? Where's the gas pedal? Where's the turn signal? Eventually, you don't have to think about it. You did it through practice, through repetition. Eventually, you're able to hold a conversation while you're driving, listen to the radio, and so on. It becomes easy through repetition. I just gave you two examples because one example might have gone in one ear and out the other ear. It allows the information to set in a little bit deeper. So you can use this in, for example, if you're reading a book, by highlighting things and going back and reviewing that piece of information. So anyways, that's my thought for the day, is use repetition in your learning.